I'm Stephanie with University of Maryland Extension, and I'm here with Robert.
Hi, I'm a Baltimore City Master Gardener Volunteer.
So Robert, what are we growing here?
This is okra, Stephanie. This is an awesome summer crop. I'm trying to show my southern roots here. And it's a great crop for this dry weather that we're having. So if you want to grow crops that can stand the dry, love the heat, and can be very productive, okra. It's also one of the prettiest vegetables you can grow.
I agree. Look at that flower. You can't beat it.
Beautiful yellow flower, dark red stems, and dark green leaves. A winner.
Love it. So Robert, what do we need if we want to grow okra at our house?
Well, okra doesn't need any special soil.
Awesome.
So it will grow very well in rich soil, but also can do well in your garden's soil at home. What you need is heat and sun.
Perfect. I think we got that.
Yes.